Believe it or not, many people do not know how to read a measuring tape, nor a ruler. It's not because of ignorance, it's just not something most people use on a daily basis. A tape measure, also called measuring tape, is a type of flexible ruler. Tape measures are made from a variety of materials, including fiberglass, plastic, and cloth. They are among the most common measuring tools used today. Generally speaking, the term tape measure refers to a roll-up, self-retracting style tape measure that's designed for carpentry. The actual tape portion of the measure, called the ribbon, is usually constructed from a stiff metallic material that can stiffen when needed but can also roll up for simple use in storage. However, the term covers all types of tape measures, even tailor's tape. The modern idea of tape measures originated in tailoring, with cloth tape used to alter or fix clothing. It wasn't until carpenters adopted the Farrand rapid rule, patented by Hiram Farrand, that the tape measure became a staple of common usage. Farrand's design was later sold to Stanley Works. Tape measures come in both imperial units, inches and feet, and metric, centimeters and meters, featuring unit breakdowns for further accuracy. Specialized versions can include markings that cover truss lengths for roofing and stud intervals for housing. Let's get started. First, let's find and read the markings. On a standard tape measure, the biggest marking is the inch mark, which generally has the biggest number if it has them. As the increments decrease, so does the length of the mark. For example, 1/2 has a bigger mark than 1/4, which has a bigger mark than 1/8, and so on. Read 1 inch. The space from the largest mark to another is 1 inch. Read 1/2 inch, same principle as reading 1 inch. Only this time the space between the second biggest mark and the biggest is red. You can think of a 1/2 inch mark as halfway between a full inch. The remaining markings follow a similar pattern. 1/4 is half of 1/2. 1/8 is half of 1/4. Most tape measure markings go as small as 1/16 of an inch. This tape divides one more time, down to 1/32 of an inch. Thank you for watching. We hope this helps you to understand how to read a tape measure. Please let us know how we can help you with other tutorials or training.